everyone. So this evening I have for you Koko by Southern Bomb, and I just unboxed it I think the day before yesterday, and I had to use this one first. The scent was just my favorite out of everything that I received in the box. And there's also a complimentary there's also a complimentary liquid bubble type thingy that comes that came in the box as well with the same scent. So I haven't used it tonight, but I will soon. Anyway, so let's go ahead and put this gorgeous shimmery thing to work. I usually like to not have bubbles in the right smack dab in the middle of where I put my bath bomb, but I know that this bath bomb can handle it. Usually it blocks it from creating more foam. So, but this time I laid it right on top of the bubbles. Look at how beautiful this is. Now my hands are full of bubbles. Gorgeous. But I want to play, so I shall put my hand underneath it. And for that, I need to get the bubbles out of the way. All right. It's like instantaneous color show with any of Southern Bomb bath bombs. I don't have to wait for it. And it's just always gorgeous, 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 vibrant color immediately. And this scent is amazing. Again, it's called Koko. And I don't know if that's just the name of the bath bomb or also tied to the scent, but since it also came in like the bubbly stuff, I'm assuming it's tied to the scent as well. Just look at this thing. Look at the stripage. Stripes are always perfection. And let me just say, this foam feels so freaking lush. It feels so, stuff all over my arm now. It feels so thick. Even when you touch it, it just feels just so thick. It's not like that foam that just lays on the top that is almost see-through on the water. It's so dense. Look at the freaking silver shimmer on the end of this. It's like a silver ring all the way around the end. It's just freaking spectacular. I'm gonna put my hand back under it and I have bubbles all over it. Let's see here. And as you can see, there's tons of shimmer on the top. So let's see if I can find any other pieces here to break apart. I want to see what's underneath. Don't you want to see? Don't you want to see me mix all this shimmer, all that silver into the water? Let's see. Oh God, I can't even. Look at that. And there's so much color still on the top here. I do love a bath where I got some nice color in, which is why I usually don't like my bubble bars to have color in it, because I like to really see what the bath bomb does. Because I don't want it to mix with whatever's happened with the bubble bar shimmer or shimmer from some other bath bombs that I may have used. I just want to see that one bath bomb in its true full glory. And you can see it right here. Look at this. It's a beautiful purple, like ridiculous amounts of shimmer type bomb. The silver in this is ridiculous. Alright guys, that's it from Southern Bombs, from my first box from, my first bomb from my September mystery box. And I'm looking forward to showing you the rest because they're all one more shimmery than the other. I will talk to you guys on the next one.